Hey y'all, I'm back. Cleaned up the timing chain cover. Cleaned up the front of the engine where this mounts to also, but I'm sitting out in the backyard and I'm not going to go up front there now. It's getting too late. I'm pretty much done for the day. But yeah, it cleaned up pretty good. Took a little bit of time. Tomorrow I'm going to replace that that seal right there also. And yeah. There we go, and if you remember the insides of it, I mean, I don't have an actual garage, I don't have an actual parts cleaner, so I'm doing the best I can with what I have, and he cleaned up pretty good. All this stuff that's in there is baked on for years, you know, it ain't too bad, but I'll Scotch Brite and clean up the gasket surfaces a little bit better. But right now, this is where we're at. Big time improvement. And I'll tell you what, yeah, I honestly, if they put a new gasket on this thing last year, they didn't bother cleaning anything, because the gasket I pulled off, what wasn't already disintegrated, was baked on there so friggin' bad. A 1-inch section took me almost 30 minutes to get it off the engine block. And I mean, that would be right about this part right up here, about from here to about there on the engine block. It was baked on so damn hard. I couldn't scrape it off in one piece. I had to almost sand it down till it was powder. Same with down around this area here as well. Right along there. Same on this side. On the engine block. That gasket did not want to come off. I haven't overheated the engine. I have not abused the engine. There's no reason why that gasket should have been stuck on there that bad. As a matter of fact, I'm also gonna go ahead and change the timing chain and the gears. I'm gonna go ahead and put a double roller on it. Not that expensive, and I'll pick that part up tomorrow and do it. But anyway, that's just a little update. No, I'm not going to polish this up or paint it or anything, because that engine's going to come apart again. So I'm not going to spend the effort doing that. I just want it to work and not leak. But anyway, yeah, that's it for tonight. I don't know if this will be our third little short video, which I think it will, because that last one was 11 minutes long. So we'll probably call this one part 3, and we'll continue on tomorrow. But anyway, again, thank you all, everyone. Thank all my subscribers and everything for putting up with me. And I'm sorry I've been gone for so long, but stuff like this, life gets in the way. Anyway, y'all have a good evening. I'm gonna clean up here, kick the dog, and have a beer. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.